Hey everyone, hope you are all doing amazing. Today we are making a super easy and delicious dessert called Ranginak, a traditional Iranian treat that only needs 4 simple ingredients and about 20 minutes to prepare. Let's get started. Dates, enough to fill your serving plate. 1/4 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons flour, walnut kernels, ground cinnamon, optional but highly recommended. First, remove the pits from the dates and replace them with walnuts. Feel free to use other nuts like almonds and pistachios if you prefer. Arrange all the stuffed dates neatly on your serving plate. In a pan or pot over low heat, add 3 tablespoons of flour and stir continuously. Keep stirring for about 7 to 8 minutes until the raw flour smell disappears and it turns a light golden brown. Add 1/4 cup of oil and mix well. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the flour and oil are fully combined into a smooth mixture. If it seems too thick or sticky at first, don't worry. As the oil heats up, the texture will soften. Pour the mixture over the dates, making sure they are well covered. Sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top for extra flavor. That's it. Your ranginak is ready to enjoy. Serve it with a cup of hot tea and savor the goodness. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, healthy, and kind.